Hello there, I'm Drew Badger and welcome back to video lesson 5 in your free 7-day email video course from EnglishAnyone.com. Today I wanted to teach you two really cool memory techniques. If you study a whole bunch of English but you don't remember what you study, you just wasted a whole bunch of time. So today's important video lesson will teach you how to remember what you're studying. Let's begin. First, a memory technique is called a mnemonic. Mnemonic. A mnemonic is a way of helping you connect something you already know to something new, or a way of taking a whole bunch of new things and connecting them together to make them easier to understand. So let's begin with the first kind of mnemonic. If you look right up here, you'll see a list of the English numbers 1 through 9 and a set of the numbers 1 through 9 in a language that I just made up. These are not real numbers, but today I'm going to teach you the new numbers in less than 1 minute. Let's see if you can figure them out. First, I will do the bad teaching way. The bad teaching way is to put information up on a board like this and say, "Remember this," to your collection of students. You are not really teaching anything. You're not helping the students connect with the information, and that's why it becomes difficult to learn. But just for this experiment, so you can see how real learning works, I want you to try remembering this set of numbers. Right now, I will give you 20 seconds. I will put them right here, nice and big, so you can practice them. Go. Okay, how did you do? Are you ready for a test? I will give you another 20 seconds right now to see if you remember all of the new 9 numbers. Here you go. Okay, test over. How did you do? Did you remember maybe 1 or 2 of those? If you remembered all of them, that's amazing because most people are not able to do that. The human brain does not remember information that way. We are not designed that way, so we have to be smart about how we remember. And we have to use our brain to connect something we don't know with something we do. And that way you'll be able to remember what you study. Now I'm going to show you a really simple way to take this new set of numbers and connect it with something you already know. Here you are. Ah, do you see it yet? Do you see how I took the keypad from your phone and connected it with this new set of numbers? Now, if I give you a translation test, you could probably do 1,000,000 of these numbers really easily. Remember, the traditional teaching way just says, "Remember this." But the good teaching way, the English Anyone teaching way, helps you connect with something you're learning by connecting that with something you already know. Now, let's go into another example. In this example, what I want you to do is see how you can take a whole bunch of different things, like a collection of words, and connect them together to make it easier for you to remember. Let's begin with a collection of 6 words. So we have cat, bird, table, cup, shoe, floor. I have a cat. He jumps on a bird who is sitting on a table, and he knocks a cup over and it falls on my shoe on the floor. So cat, bird, table, cup, shoe, floor. I've taken all of these different words and made a story out of them in order to remember what I'm actually saying and remember them in that order. You have to be smart when you're learning a language. You have to help your brain. So in the last video lesson, from video lesson 4, you learned that it's important to focus on one thing at a time. And also, if you're reading or watching a movie, to know about 80 or 90% of what you're reading or watching so that the new information comes in much, much more easily. With that idea, we want you to remember how to use your mind to connect with the new information you're learning in however way you can find. When I first came to Japan, I met a woman named Sawa. I was really bad at remembering names until I looked at her face and it looked like she was eating something sour like a lemon. And she had a puckered face like that. And I always forgot her name until I thought, oh, her face looks like she's eating something sour. And I was able to connect Sawa and sour. And it helped me remember really, really easily. You can do the exact same thing if you get creative. Use mnemonics, anything, even if the pronunciation is not perfect, it's okay. It becomes fun and it becomes easy, and you will start getting fluent in English much, much faster. In tomorrow's video lesson, I'll teach you the secret to going out and improving your English by meeting lots of real native speakers who are excited to talk with you, and all for free. We really look forward to seeing you again tomorrow, so be sure to open your mail, read the transcript, and watch the video, and you will start getting fluent in English much, much faster. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.